Hello kids, let's send some colors. ये है हमारे कलर्स. स्काई ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, येलो कलर, ब्राउन कलर, पिंक कलर and red color. Yellow color, A for apple. Orange color, B for ball. Red color, C for cat. Pink color, D for dog. Brown color, E for egg. Sky blue color, F for fish. Red color, G for goat. Brown color, H for hen. Yellow color, I for ink. Orange color, J for jackal. Sky blue color, K for kite. Pink color, L for lion. Red color, M for mango. Brown color, N for nest. Yellow color, O for owl. Orange color, P for parrot. Sky blue color, Q for queen. Pink color, R for rat. Red color, S for sun. Orange color, T for table. Yellow color, U for umbrella. Brown color, V for van. Pink color, W for woman. Sky blue color, X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Red color, Z for zebra. Okay, bye.